This video is going to show you how to add lights to a room so that you can then turn them on in a rendered image. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find a light that you want to add. For the kitchen, a good light is often this troffer light because it's nice and large. You can also get pendant lights, can lights, all kinds of lights are available. If you scroll up, you'll find some other lights. One is called pendant, so it'll be under the P's. There's pendant light. This is the kind that drops down from the ceiling. And there is also these recessed can lights, which are just basically spotlights. These aren't great for the bathroom, but just let me just throw one in for the bathroom so that you can see. So if I click on this, it's not going to let me do this. This is because I'm in the floor plan. You want to go to the ceiling plan. I'm going to go to the second floor. And now I'll add component. I've got a pendant light. This is just going to be a brighter light, the 277 volts. Most houses don't have that, so I'm going to pick 150. You have to watch the elevation, so you need to know more or less how tall your ceiling is. And I'm going to click this. Now, it's hard to know where these are placed and what it looks like without looking at a section view. We luckily already have a section view here, although it's looking maybe in the opposite direction than I would like. So how about I add a new section view here? And I'm actually going to bring it back and not go through the light so that we can see it. So now that section view is placed, you can just click this arrow and it'll bring you right to it. We obviously don't need all of this. I'm just going to, so that I can zoom in on the bathroom. Oh, and as you can see, I didn't even get the bathroom. I got the entryway into the bathroom. So I'm going to move this over so that it's hanging right above the sink there. And it looks like it's hanging at the right location because this is our ceiling. If you click on this, you can see that's a ceiling and the light's right on it. You will want to, if you add, let me show you if I add one of those big lights. So I'm going to go back to component and pick the troffer light, it's called. So here we go. Now this would obviously be huge for your bathroom. I'm just going to click that in there and go back to my section view. And it automatically added it at the right height as well, which is great. You want to make sure that this is actually cutting through your ceiling and not above it or hanging below it, and so on. So now if you want to create a rendered image of this bathroom, you can do like you always do. Oh, I'm still in add lights. Oh, and I don't think it likes that I'm trying to render a ceiling plan. So now, all right, so if I want to add a rendering, obviously you have to add the view first. So I'm going to hit the drop down here, hit camera. Now this is going to be a really tight view, so it might be skewed. Sorry, that was the cleanup song. And now you can see there's that. Again, you might want to also check out your azimuth direction. So you can turn on your sun angle. And you can see here's 270, 280, 315, 330. If you want the light to be coming in the bathroom window, you may want to put it at even 345 for the angle. So I'm going to go back to our 3D view that we just added. Is it this one? Let's rename this. And I'm going to hit render. And I'm going to say interior sun and artificial because now I want the sun to be coming up. Actually, I could just reuse the kitchen because it's coming from the same side of the house. So I'm just going to say kitchen here. But if you want, you could change this to even 345 like we were just talking about. And now that we have interior sun and artificial, you can click this and make sure. But yep, there's the pendant and the troffer that we just added. So those will be turned on. And now you can render it and see what it's going to look like. It should be plenty light because we'll have this light on. The troffer light above will actually be on and the sun will be coming in through the window. So that's how you add lights. The most important or the biggest challenge is making sure that you have the lights at the right height and that the ceiling is not blocking it. You can see from this render that the light is in fact turned on. That's it.